the sound of it.
Today I'm going to be starting off by priming my lids, and I'm going to be using the LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Toffee. Next, I'm going to be setting that concealer with my airspun setting powder. Today, I'm going to be using the Charles Morphe palette, and I'm going to be taking that dark blue shade, and I'm going to be using that as my transition color. Next, I'm going to be taking that light blue shade, and I'm going to be applying that on top of where I applied my transition color. Okay, so I wanted to go a little bit lighter, so next I'm going to be taking this baby blue shade, and I'm going to be putting it on top of that lighter blue. Next, I'm going to be cutting my crease with this same LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Toffee. Okay, now I'm just setting my brush with this Jeffree Star setting spray. That way I can really make these colors pop. Comment down below if y'all know a great palette that has good yellows, because mine tend to look like chalk when I apply it. Next, I'm going to be taking that lime green shade and I'm going to be applying that in the middle of my lids. And I'm going to go back in with that darker blue and I'm going to be putting that on the outer corners of my lids, and I'm just going to be smoking that out with that lime green shade. And next I'm going to be creating a wing, and I'm going to be using a black liquid eyeliner. And the foundation that I'm using today is the Double Wear Stay in Place Matte Foundation by Estee Lauder. So if y'all are looking for a good matte foundation, be sure to check this out. And the shade that I am using is called Sandalwood. And I am applying my foundation with a damp beauty blender. Today I'm going to be highlighting with my Juvias Place concealer, and I'm going to be using the number 15. The key to flawless makeup is blending, so make sure y'all take y'all time and blend. Okay, so now it's time to set that highlight, and I'm going to be setting my highlight with that same setting powder, the airspun setting powder. Okay, so y'all, it's my favorite part. Next, I'm going to be contouring with this True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance. Moving on to blush. I know everybody don't like using blush, but I absolutely love it. So today I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder blush, and this is the shade Sunkiss. Today I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder highlighter, and this is the shade Solar Crush. Next, I'm going to be using the NYX contouring palette to contour my nose. going back to the eyes, I'm going to be taking that dark blue shade and I'm just going to put that under my waterline. Okay, so I didn't have any yellow and lime green eyeliner, so I used the eyeshadows in the eyeshadow palette to line my waterline. So if y'all don't have those shades, this will be great to line your waterline. Just be careful so you won't get it in your eyes. Okay y'all, so let's get to it. Today I'm going to be using the Pretty Danielle Dior Collection eyelashes, and this is the 25 milliliters eyelashes. So if y'all are looking for some beautiful eyelashes, make sure y'all check my girl out. I will leave her information down below in the description box. And yeah y'all, so she can hook y'all up. And I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star setting spray to set my face. So today I'm going to be using Clinique dark chocolate eyeliner, but I'm going to be using it as a lip liner, so y'all don't judge me. Next, I'm going to be applying my lipstick. Y'all, I got this lipstick from the dollar store a while back, so I can't remember what shade it is, but it is like a pink neutral shade, and it's really good, and it's also a matte lipstick. And I also decided to apply some gloss to this look. Alright y'all, so that is it for today's video. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up. Make sure y'all comment down below and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see y'all next time.